Oh, mochi.
Hello everyone, welcome to the new podcast. I hope all of you have a good life today. Now we have special guest here. Her name is Malia Nahwa.
Hi everyone.
Ya, Malia ini adalah siswa kelas 5 di SD Muhammadiyah 06.
Yes.
Ya, betul ya.
Ya 06.
06 karena kita SD Muhammadiyah 06. And always perform is Munam's Media. And the second guest we have Mr. Fadli here. Tepuk tangan dulu buat Pak Fadli. Oke.
Kayaknya nggak ada yang tepuk tangan nih.
Malia dan Fadli.
How are you?
How are you, Malia and Fadli?
I'm great.
I'm Guy and Mr. Fadli.
I'm okay, just starving.
Alright, are you fasting, guys?
Of course, I'm fasting today.
Of course, I am because we are Muslims, so it's mandatory for us to fasting in Ramadan during Ramadan.
Yeah, I see. So guys, we have to fasting is a mandatory for us, especially for adult. So no matter what.
Yeah, especially for those. That's right. But sometimes it's not sometimes, but it also mandatory for children, right, Malia?
Yeah,
It's
right.
mandatory for you because your parents ask you to fasting, right?
Fasting,
Yeah. So it's important as well for children or for kids even. I mean, it's good for them.
Ya.
No.
Iya, teman-teman, adik-adikku semua, tadi adalah salah satu contoh pembukaan dalam berbahasa Inggris. Karena sesuai dengan tema kita adalah pentingnya bahasa Inggris dalam berkomunikasi kehidupan sehari-hari.
Jadi tema kita hari ini bahasa Inggris ya?
Bahasa Inggris.
Oh, berarti saya setel badan saya di bahasa Inggris.
Nah, Malia juga harus di-setel dulu bahasa Inggris. Bapak juga mau Bapak setel ke
Oke.
bahasa Thailand.
Oh,
Salah ya.
Thailand.
Okay, it's
Bahasa
fine,
Inggris
different.
tapi aksennya aksen Thailand.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's interesting.
Okay. May I ask some question?
Oh, may I ask?
Yeah,
question?
some question.
Okay.
Oke, ini pertanyaannya untuk semua ya, untuk Malia dan Fadli. Pak Fadli. How long have you been learning about English?
Since I was 3 years old.
Oke.
Since 3 years old.
Yeah.
3 years
So
old.
so how did you learn?
So I really like science. So often I really like to watch YouTube video about science video, and then accidentally I can speak English.
It's just accidentally, right? Oh my god.
Okay. Why we are speaking English now?
I haven't answered yet.
Because English is
Belum jawab.
world.
Oh, belum jawab ya. Oke.
Oke guys, gak apa. Berarti I have to answer
Ya,
the first
ya.
question first.
Heeh.
Okay, the first question. Okay. What's the question again?
Why we are speaking in English now?
No, I mean for how long, right?
Oh yeah. How long have you been learning about
Learning
English?
about English. Okay.
Terlalu bersemangat.
I've been learning about English since I graduated from my university like UHAMKA. That
Yes.
was about 2016.
Wow.
Yes. And at that time I realized that I already got a job like teaching, and I asked to myself again like what do I do again? I mean like when for me when we live in this world, I don't like just live and work, eat and work. I need more activities such as, so I decided to learn about English. I took some courses in some places.
Oke, untuk kalian berdua, why we are speaking in English now? Because hard for me.
Why, Malia?
Because English language is world language. It's for
Communicating.
communicating with outsiders, like for example American people, Australian, Singapore, French, and others.
Okay, so have you ever been talking or communicating with other outsiders or foreigner people?
Yeah, I have.
Where was it?
Actually, the outsiders go to Indonesian.
Go to Indonesia.
Yeah.
So who was it?
Yeah, my uncle friends
Your uncle friends.
Yeah.
Okay, so your uncle has friends like
from outsiders.
okay,
And then I
like
talk
which
to her.
country?
I think Singapore. I
Oh,
forgot. Yeah, I think Singapore.
Singaporean. So he's Singaporean.
Yeah, and I like to speak English with my cousins.
With your cousins. So
Yeah.
your cousin also speak in English.
Yeah, but my cousin are the outsiders. My cousin is Indonesian, like me.
Okay, like you, but he lives in.
No. They are like me, but they speak English like me.
Okay, that's good. So basically, Malia has capability or ability to speak two languages, right? Like
Yeah, Indonesian
bahasa
and
Indonesia
English.
and English.
Bahasa in English ya.
Hmm.
Oke.
Okay, and should I answer the question?
Ya.
Okay. Jadi gue jawab ya bahasanya, jawab ya.
Ya.
For me, what was the question again?
Why we're
Why?
speaking English?
Okay. It's not really different like as Malia said, it's good for us to communicate with foreign people because it's really important for me to communicate with outsiders. Why? Because it's when we need some information from the local, when we, for instance, like we visit like another country, like America, so we can communicate with locals about culture, about habits. So it gives us information about that. So we can get information like more knowledges.
Ya. Jadi intinya dari percakapan antara Malia dan Pak Fadli ini adalah penting sekali berkomunikasi bahasa Inggris. Selain dua bahasa yang tadi Malia kasih tahu adalah Malia itu bisa aktif dalam berbahasa Indonesia, juga aktif dalam berbahasa Inggris.
Dan juga kenapa penting karena memang jadi bahasa Indonesia dulu. Karena emang ini ketika kita butuh informasi dan
Yeah.
bertanya kepada orangnya langsung kayak local people,
Iya.
local people gitu. Jadi kayak kita tuh benar-benar dapat informasinya real dan emang itu untuk nambah ilmu juga buat kita. Jadi
betul.
intinya komunikasi itu penting.
Iya.
Dengan bahasa apapun gitu. I'm not saying that English is the most really important in the world, but if you interested with the other languages like Spanish or something like that, it's important as well.
Ya. Jadi tadi juga yang disampaikan oleh Pak Fadli adalah pentingnya dalam berbahasa Inggris kita juga bisa tahu kultur atau budayanya mereka langsung, dan ketika kita berbicara oleh warga lokal di sana, kita mendapatkan informasi yang tepat gitu, tidak ngawang ya bahasanya itu. Tidak
Nggak fake gitu.
seperti itu. Jadi kita tidak seperti
Nggak hoax.
atau kita ini benar ini informasinya, seperti itu ya. Gambarannya seperti itu teman-teman. Yang
Budiman.
yang kedua, pertanyaan yang kedua.
Okay.
Why did you learn about English?
Because I promised myself that someday I will study at Harvard, and Harvard is in American, so I need to speak English.
Oke. Seharusnya ini pertanyaan ada nih, tapi nggak apa-apa, lanjut aja. Pak Fadli.
Okay. Why did you learn about English?
Yes.
Malia said like it's good for her because your goals is for
Study at Harvard.
studying at Harvard.
Yeah.
Okay. Harvard University. Oh my God, that's really a good dream. Like Harvard. Who's someone who don't know Harvard University or like Oxford University?
Yeah.
What I mean? That's really good. It means like you already know what will you do in the
Yeah.
future. It's good, really good if you know about your future. Start from now on. But for me, why did I learn about English? Because as I said before, no, it's interesting. When I see people speak in English, it seems like really, really good. Like, oh my God, they are really smart people. They can learn about, they can speak in English. It's more like really, really smart people for me. So I just wanna be like them.
Yeah.
Just wanna be like them, and also I have some businesses like to get scholarship or something like that. As we know that to get scholarship, we must have a capability in English.
Ya, ya. Jadi apa namanya? Kalau yang tadi Malia dan Pak Fadli sampaikan adalah salah satu ketika melihat orang berbahasa Inggris itu seperti kelihatan lebih
Like,
mengeluarkan
lebih smart.
ya, lebih pintar, lebih smart, jadi lebih mengeluarkan aura kepintarannya seperti itu.
Iya,
Ketika kita-
padahal sekarang gini, semua orang sebenarnya bisa gitu, mau cerdas atau enggak, semua orang bisa, asalkan ya they know about their capability, like
Ya,
mereka tahu cara belajar mereka gitu kan. Gitu.
karena belajar bahasa Inggris juga semua orang pasti bisa belajar.
Bisa.
Ya, tapi tingkat keseriusannya itu yang semua orang tuh pasti berbeda-beda.
The first thing that really important is intention,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Betul. Oke.
We just imagine that we do the impossible.
Oh.
Sorry?
So we need to imagine that we can do the impossible.
Yeah, we can do the impossible. Yeah.
Okay, Malia and Mr. Fadli. Now, we would like to see you make an English conversation.
Okay, me and Malia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you become the host and Malia.
Yeah.
No.
Malia, that's his
Malia
Malia.
and Mr.
So
Fadli.
who's to be the host?
Yeah, Mr. Fadli and Malia.
Okay.
You can ask Malia about anything.
About anything. Oh
Yes.
my God, I have no plan about the questions. My God, I
Okay,
forgot
okay.
to make some questions. So, Malia, how are you today?
I'm very great today.
Very good.
Excited.
So, since the first Ramadan,
Yeah.
have you been like bolos bolos
No,
puasa?
not yet.
So,
Not yet.
so you got how many days right now?
18 maybe?
18 or 17? 18. Are you
18.
sure?
Yeah, I think.
Jadi berapa hari puasa udah? Guys?
Sekarang 18. 18.
8. You got 19 days. Well, that's really great. Really good because Parifal only got 2 days. Oh my God.
No.
Okay. So, how about your family? Are they fasting as well, or
Yes,
they?
of course. They fasting as well.
So now you study at your home
Yeah.
because it's more like home
Pandemic.
learning, right?
Yeah.
Home learning, and then. So tell me more about your activity when you at home during home learning and during Ramadan.
Yeah. Of course, Zoom meetings with my teachers and friends subject. And then I like to watch YouTube about science because I love science. And then I play with my cats because I have a cat.
Okay, you have a cat.
Yeah.
What kind of cats? Is it like Angora or?
Ada yang Persia dan ada juga yang kampung.
Okay, that's interesting. So do you have the names for them?
Yeah, I have Mochi, Bakso, Kitty, Somai, and Macchiato.
So you gave the names for them from like the drinks, like
Yeah.
minuman.
Yeah, and
Okay.
food.
And food. Is it because you really like those food or drinks?
No, because of the colors.
Because of the colors.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like matcha too as well. Like
Yeah.
I like matcha as well.
But there's no green cat.
There's no green cat, but
No.
you just really like the color, even though the cat is not green.
Yeah.
So what the colors are they?
Wait, I didn't say matcha, I say mochi.
Sorry.
I said mochi, not matcha.
Oh, mochi.
Not macan.
No.
No.
This is maybe because I'm really
Hungry.
like hungry and like thirsty, you know.
Yeah.
So when I heard about mochi, and it's more like, oh, matcha, it's delicious, you know.
Maca.
Yeah, a lot of teacher and friends know that I have a cat called Mochi.
Nice. But I don't know, you know. You didn't tell me about that.
Yeah, I think I'd never tell you about that.
Okay, that's nice. That's great. So, tell me about your do you miss to go to the school again?
Of course, I really missed it.
Really?
Yeah.
Because some students, they don't want to go to the school anymore. They comfort learn at their home, you know.
I
They
don't
don't
really
need
like.
to they
I
don't
don't
need
really like online class. I'm more like offline class
Okay.
because I can play with my friends.
you can play with your friends.
Yeah.
Okay. So but you mentioned about your friend, your the one who's really annoying in your
Who?
class. I don't know. You mentioned about me in the past. So are you still mad at him? Mad at them?
No, not really. I don't care again.
You don't. Okay, you don't care. No, that's great because if we have a friends like make a
Yeah.
friends, even though they don't like us, you know, they,
Yeah.
they don't like me. I don't care. We don't care, right? I mean, like that's not our business. That's not really important for our
Yeah.
lives.
Like sometimes they judge me, but what I say is, okay, you know my name, but you don't know my story. You heard about me from others, but you never heard about me from myself. So please
That's
don't
true.
judge me if you don't know my journey.
Absolutely, yeah. If they don't know about who is myself, you know,
Yeah.
like our story, our lives, they don't need to just us. They don't have a right to do that. And
Yeah.
also, I think it's really it's really happening in Indonesia, especially
Yeah.
like, for instance, like I know that you are often speaking in English, right,
Yeah.
in the school, and also you have a friend in the past, like who's the name? Was
Sheila.
Sheila, yeah.
Yeah.
Sheila is more like 80%, maybe 80%. She always speak in English. 80%. Bahasa Indonesia maybe only for 20%.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I mean, that must be the people or the students judge you that okay, so Inggris, kamu so Inggris seperti
Yeah.
itu.
A lot of people said that. A lot of people said that I'm weird because I speak English, but I don't care.
You don't care, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the good response. We don't care, you
Yeah.
know, because it's not really important. It's
Yeah.
our lives, so don't bother our lives. And if you don't wanna your lives are bothered with someone by
Yeah.
someone, you don't need to bother us. You know, like
Yeah.
and also it's not sure that someone who judge you like so English or something like that, they can speak English as well.
Yeah.
It's just because I think that's because they are really envy to you because
Yeah.
you can speak English, and they envy to you, and they just judge you and
Yeah.
maybe mocking you.
Yeah.
So you already used to it.
Yeah. Since I was 3 years old.
3 years
fine.
old. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
Because I don't really have a lot of friends, but it's fine.
Yeah.
But now I have quite a lot of friends.
Quite a lot of friends.
Yeah, because before I'm a shy girl, but now I'm a talkative girl.
Nice.
And yeah, now I'm friends with others.
Okay, that's great. It means like more students accept you
Yeah.
because you are nice and fun people. You know what I mean?
Yeah, because before I'm really shy.
Okay, now not anymore.
No, now I'm talkative.
Pak Rival, apakah Anda?
Oke, saya akan menjelaskan. Tadi udah ya.
Oke.
Udah
Yeah, yeah.
Oke
Udah ya?
guys, jadi
Jadi-
oke, udah.
Jadi tadi percakapan antara Malia dan Pak Fadli banyak banget yang di topik pembicaraannya yang tadi bilang kangen nggak sama sekolahan. Nah si Malia ini lebih suka offline atau langsung masuk ke kelas daripada online class atau via Zoom ya Malia ya,
Iya,
atau
kelas.
Google Meet. Terus juga tadi Pak Fadli menceritakan tentang bagaimana pandangan orang ketika kalian itu ketika Malia menggunakan bahasa Inggris, katanya sombong lah,
Ya,
atau
jadi itu
Ya.
emang problematika yang ada atau di bahasanya
permasalahan kegelisahan yang
untuk English learner,
Iya.
especially when ketika mereka practice like speak English every day, and orang-orang sekitar itu kayak bukannya ngedukung, bukannya support, jadi kayak yang so Inggris lah segala macam
Ya,
gitu. Jadi
betul.
kan bikin orang down gitu ya.
Yeah, but I never heard about what they said.
Yeah.
Me either.
jadi
Ya.
menurut pandangan mereka orang-orang yang bisa bahasa Inggris itu adalah orang-orang yang cangkak, sombong lah ya, sombong, dan padahal sebenarnya itu adalah ilmu yang harusnya si orang yang tadi bilang seperti itu harusnya lebih terpacu lagi. Bagaimana kok Malia bisa? Pasti aku juga bisa berbahasa Inggris.
seperti
Harusnya
itu.
seperti itu.
What do you think, Malia? What do you think?
Yeah, I agree. I want a lot of Indonesian people can speak English because English is quite important.
Important, and also it's already more like a second language in
Yeah, of
Indonesia.
course, yeah.
Many people can speak in English.
Yeah, I'm quite happy for Indonesian because now a lot of kids in Indonesian already speak English.
Yes, that's right.
Ya,
I'm
jadi-
happy too.
Ya, tapi nggak boleh tidak peduli juga sih tanggapannya. Ya, lebih dijelaskan lagi kenapa sombongnya, kenapa ininya
ya.
seperti itu ya,
Yeah,
harusnya sih.
a lot of people said that I'm kind of weird because I speak English, but yeah, like this is my hobby, and
Ya,
so,
betul.
So why they need to judge it?
Ya, nah itu penjelasan yang sangat bagus. Ini adalah
the thing
hobi
is,
saya.
they don't have a right to do that.
Yeah.
Ya. Oke, big applause.
Penontonnya ada 2.000, 3.000.
Mr. Fadli tadi sangat seru sekali